Hi everyone, today we will discuss how to get rid of swollen lip. A fat lip can be embarrassing and painful. It may be accompanied by bleeding and cuts and can cause difficulty eating, drinking, talking and even opening your mouth. You can use over-the-counter or prescribed medicine to treat a swollen lip, but there are some excellent home remedies as well that will help get rid of it quickly. Home remedy number 1. Cold compress. As soon as you notice your lip swelling, apply a cold compress. Wrap some ice cube in a paper towel or washcloth. You can also use a bag of frozen peas or a cold spoon. Press the cold compress gently over the swollen area for 10 minutes. Take a break and repeat. Do this until the swelling goes down. Home remedy number 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is very effective in reducing swollen lip. Apply freshly extracted aloe vera gel on the affected lip. Massage the area gently so the aloe vera is absorbed into the lip. Repeat 2 or 3 times a day. Home remedy number 3. Black tea bag. Black tea can reduce swelling of the lip. Soak a black tea bag in warm water for about 10 minutes. Remove it from the water and allow it to cool. Gently apply it over the swollen lip for 10 minutes. Repeat several times a day for quick results. Home remedy number 4. Honey. Honey is very effective for swollen lip. Will keep your lips well moisturized, prevent infection and reducing inflammation, swelling and pain. Dip a cotton ball in 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply it on the affected lip. Leave it on for about 20 minutes. Rinse the area with cold water. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day. Home remedy number 5. Turmeric. Turmeric powder has antiseptic as well as healing properties to treat a swollen lip. Mix a little turmeric powder with 1 teaspoon of Fuller's Earth and enough cold water to make a paste. Apply it over the affected area. Allow it to dry for some time and then clean the lips with lukewarm water. Repeat twice daily to get rid of the pain and swelling. Home remedy number 6. Baking soda. Baking soda is also highly recommended to treat a swollen lip. Make a thick paste by mixing 3 teaspoons of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of water. Apply the paste on the affected lip. Leave it for only for a few minutes and then rinse it off with cold water. Repeat a few times a day until the swelling subsides. Home remedy number 7. Salt. Salt is a natural disinfectant that will kill the germs that may cause any infection in the cut. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of salt in 1 cup of slightly warm water. Use a cotton ball to dab it gently on the cut. This remedy will be very useful in healing the cut and bringing down the lip swelling. Do this once or twice a day. Remedy number 8. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is another effective ingredient for a swollen lip. Dilute the tea tree oil with some carrier oil like olive oil or coconut oil. Apply it on your lips about half an hour to keep them moisturized as well as disinfected. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Do this 2 times a day to reduce swollen lip. Home remedy number 9. Warm compress. Similar to cold compresses, applying a hot compress in another effective way to treat a swollen lip. Soak a washcloth in warm water and wring out the excess water. You can also use a heating pad. Apply it over your lip for 10 minutes. Repeat after 1 hour. Home remedy number 10. Witch hazel. Witch hazel can do wonders to reduce swollen lip. Mix 1 tablespoon of witch hazel with 1½ tablespoon of salt. Use a cotton ball to apply the mixture on the affected lip. Leave it on for about 30 minutes.